Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and I'm back again today with another case review for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Today we'll be looking at the Pitaka MagEZ 4 case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the guys at Pitaka sent this over for me to review. All the thoughts and opinions in today's video will be my own. I'm really excited to review this case because the MagEZ 3 case that they sent over last year was fantastic, so I really want to see how it's improved for the 4. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so as I said, I've got the Pitaka MagEZ 4 case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max here and ready to unbox. So let's just jump in and take a look at the packaging first. But before I go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. As I said before, we've got so many case reviews coming up for the 15 Pro Max, and I'll also have some screen protector installations and some top accessories to go through as well. So plenty of content to come, so hit that subscribe button. But let's jump in. So taking a look around the packaging, as you can see, we've got 600D Aramid fibre, so really good premium quality Aramid fibre. The version I've got today is the more of the plainer looking one with no colours or patterns on, and as you can see, this is for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the idea with the Easy case versus the MagEZ Pro case is the Pro is a larger and bulkier case, which is a bit more of a protective case, and the MagEZ one is a thinner and lighter case, which is meant to be more like you're not really wearing a case for those who like a minimalistic style. So just jumping at the back, we'll go through a couple of the features before we have a look around the case. So as I said, it's an ultra slim and lightweight case coming in about 20 grams, which is fantastic. We do have MagSafe built in, and Pitaka always have really strong magnets, which is really cool. Case feels really nice, which is subjective, but I agree. And it's got 100% biodegradable packaging, so nice work there by Pitaka. Any more information you can see on the back, but as always, head over to the website and take a look. So let's get this thing unboxed. There we are, that is the MagEZ Case 4. So straight away you can see very stunning design as always by Pitaka. Always one of my favourite cases. Before we have a look around the outside and how it fits, just a quick look on the inside. So as I said, we have a MagSafe compatible phone. So bring that closer, you can see MagSafe compatible and compatible with MagSafe accessories. Pitaka logo there and the same Aramid fibre material on the inside of the case. So without further ado, let's get the case on the phone. So as you can see, I've got the black titanium version of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this case obviously goes very well with the colour of the phone. I do think it probably fit with any colour, and then if you check the website, there's obviously different colours, so just have a look on there and see which colour might be best for your phone, but I think the black's going to go with anything anyway. So first impressions, very premium feeling, smooth Aramid fibre, really nice to touch, really nice to feel, and obviously very thin. So let's have a run around. So you've got the Pitaka logo at the bottom. If I just check the camera visor and see how much protection we've got, so nice big raised bezel that goes around the outside of the camera module, so you are very protected if you do drop it. And that's one thing, even though it's a thin case, Pitaka try and offer good scratch and drop resistant on the cases, so really nice work, nice and raised, nothing to worry about. Move around to the top of the case. So as you see, we do have a cutout design, so if that does bother you, obviously this case isn't going to be for you, and you might want to go with the MagEZ Pro, which I'll be hoping to review in a few weeks time. But as for the MagEZ 4, yeah, it's a cutout there, and you've got thin material covering the corners, but obviously with it being Aramid fibre, it's very strong. So moving around to the side, and you've got material that goes all around the outside, and instead of going for covers on the buttons, they've gone for an open style. So as you can see, you do have straight access to the buttons, but there's not going to be any protection on the buttons themselves apart from the raised lip here. Move around to the bottom, we again have a cutout design, so you can access your ports really easily. Speakers are unintruded and unaffected, and you have a slight lip just on the bottom there, so you do have some protection on the bottom, and the corners, as I said, on this side are protected too, so it does wrap around any times you may drop your phone. And just looking at the last side, you've got again similar design and cutout for the all new action button. Talking about the action button, drop a comment down below and let me know, what are you guys using the action button for? I first had it set to a shortcut for the camera, but I found myself using the already available button that was on the screen that we've had on the iPhone for years. So at the moment I've got it set to a shortcut for my Apple TV remote, but drop a comment down below, what are you using that button for? I want to know the best use case. So flipping it around to the front, let's see how good the protection is on the display. So obviously the bezel is not raised very high at all, so you've got a very narrow bezel that goes around the outside, and it's only really the corners which are going to give you that protection. As I said, the aim in this case is not specifically protection, it's more the MagEZ 4 Pro that you'd want if you're after the ultimate protection, but you are protected for doing things like laying your phone on the table and laying the phone on the table backwards, so your camera modules are protected. But my suggestion is obviously use a screen protector to make sure you're safe if you do drop the phone. As I've gone around the case, I've obviously had a nice feel of how thin it is and how minimalistic it is, and it's really nice. If you're the sort of person who's not too fussed about having a really protective case and you'd rather have something on that's just enough to stop it from getting scratched and maybe some slight drop protection, because you really want to feel how good the phone feels as it is, almost without a case, then this is for you. The case is so thin, it's so snug, it's really tight once you get it on the phone, and you have to be careful when you're taking it off. There are instructions in the box just on that, on how you're going to take it off, so just be careful when you do, but just as a heads up. So before we go on to price, drop a comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the Pitaka MagEZ 4? Is this something you would buy, or are you going to go for the MagEZ 4 Pro? Let me know down below, let's discuss. Okay, so moving on to price now, you'll be looking at $59 in the US and £59 in the UK. So not the cheapest of cases out there, but what you are getting is a super premium Aramid fiber stylistic minimalistic case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Personally, this is one of my favourite cases, and I will be using this on a daily basis as much as I can because I love how thin it makes the phone feel, unlike other cases out there which are quite bulky. I'll leave a link in the comments down below if you are interested. Please guys use that link because it helps the channel out massively, and as I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got so much content coming up which I don't want you to miss out on. So that is the Pitaka MagEZ 4 case. So a massive thank you to the guys over at Pitaka for sending this over, and make sure you leave a comment down below. As for today, thank you very much for watching guys. I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews. See you next time.